MTD CNC are at EMO and we're on the Matsuura stand looking at the new MX-850. Dom, tell us a little bit about this new machine.
Okay, so based on the MX-550 PC4 that we launched not that long ago, the success of that machine, we now have the larger version. The MX-850 has been in the MX family now for some time, but we now have this, obviously, 4-pallet changer, giving you that lights out, unmanned running, again from Matsuura.
What I like about this is how you're highlighting the fact it's not just about huge components, is it? You've got these fixtures with lots of different parts on there.
Absolutely, and the thing is, what I really like about this machine is that, if you were considering a horizontal machine centre but not a 5-axis, now you can consider a 5-axis, which is also a horizontal, because of the envelope of the machine allows you to put a cube on the machine, as well as obviously multi-vice 5-axis or a very large complex 5-axis component.
You can almost get half a ton on those pallets, I read.
Absolutely, so you've got big weight, big capacity, and you can put lots of different fixtures on the machine. I think it's a great addition to the family.
So do I, and actually engineers from the UK can see this at your up and coming open house, can't they? When is that?
Yeah, so on the 8th, 9th and 10th of October we are holding our open house where we are launching this machine for the first time in the UK market.
Now tell us about the fixturing here, because there's a story behind this as well, isn't there?
Absolutely, so as you know, Matsuura UK, we sell the HP 3D printer. So what we did earlier on in the year, actually, we manufactured the fixture and that component that you see for our Southern manufacturing show, where we just showed the MX-850. Now we're obviously showing it on the 4-pallet machine. So we've printed that printer, it's plastic, manufacturing an aluminium component with the assistance of Autodesk, who partnered in the demo.
So Autodesk actually created their software created not just the 3D printed fixture, but also the part that's on top of the fixture too.
Yeah, they did the whole lot, and that's what's great about it. So we partnered with Autodesk, and again, come to the open house and you can see this stuff being printed.
Good stuff. October the 8th, 9th and 10th in Coalville in Leicestershire. Visit the Matsuura open house to see this and more.